वाओ, कृति सनन कितनी अच्छी लग रही है ना ये आउटफिट में। काश ये साड़ी और ज्वेलरी मुझे भी मिल पाती। साड़ी का तो पता नहीं, बट ज्वेलरी तो हम लोग बिल्कुल बना सकते हैं। So, I Aishwarya welcome you all to the very first episode of Celebrity Inspired Jewelry series, wherein we are gonna make the replica of jewelry worn by various actresses, be it a Bollywood actress or Hollywood actress or any Marathi actress or Tamil actress or some small screen actress like Hina Khan or anyone or also any celebrity. So do let me know which one should I replicate next. Kriti Sanon has always inspired me through her personality and vibes, and I also love to watch her movies a lot. So when I decided to make start this series of Bollywood inspired jewelry, there was no doubt that I'll just choose the jewelry inspired by her looks. So here we are, and today we are gonna make this pretty necklace set inspired by her this look for her movie promotion. So I hope that you will enjoy watching this tutorial, and will definitely try to make this necklace set at home. And yeah, do let me know who is your favorite actress and with whom we can replicate next time. You can share the link or any photo in the comments below, or also you can share the photo on the Instagram so that we can find our next inspiration to in this series. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take this oxidized chain and we'll cut this in half, in small part. This is like a loop of 10 sides. Like you just have to cut in 10 loops, and that will be the size of this oxidized chain. Then we'll take this 30 gauge wire and we'll wrap it around over here. So you can also use the plier if you want to, and wrap this wire around. But make sure that as this is a delicate work, you have to make sure that you are doing it very properly, and it's very easy to make. So you have to just add a 2-3 rounds and then it's fine. Then we'll take this pretty pearl. This is 5 mm pearl, and we'll add it, and again simultaneously we will add this another oxidized chain of 10 loops. Of this happens while making the jewelry, that's okay. So we'll add it, and again we'll make knots at the end. So again, as it's a delicate work, you have to be very careful, but it's the results are awesome always. And then you can cut it with the help of scissor and plier, as the chain is very thin. Then again we'll add one more pearl in this in the same way. So we'll add add this 30 gauge wire to this, and we'll add this another pretty pearl in that. So you have to repeat the process in the same way for, I guess, around 10 to 12 pearls. It totally depends on you that what do you want. So add this pearl, and I had already made some more added some more pearls and chains already, so that we can make this video quick. So I'll add this one in this on our small chain, so and I'll wrap it. So this is how it will be. So we have to make it in a big chain of, like, you can take 10 pearls or 12 pearls, it's totally up to you. And see, this is how it get dangles up. So you have to be very careful while making the jewelry, and be very slow. So now we have made this one long chain, and in the same way we have to make 5 chains. So I have already made them, and these are this one and the other ones. So it will take a good amount of time, like 15 to 20 minutes for you to make this chain. So but that's totally fine, it's worth making it. And now I'm taking this connector of 5 loops holes, and will connect it with the help of jump ring. So I will add it in the last loop of this hole, and will cut it. So this is how it will look. So we have attached this one, and in the same way we'll attach the other one. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have added these pearls to this connector, and in the same way we'll add it to the other one. So let me add it quickly. So now I have added this, and our necklace is almost ready. And isn't it so gorgeous? Now we'll just add the necklace dori again with the help of jump ring. So I'm taking this jump ring and we'll add the jump ring in this necklace dori, and then we'll attach it with the help of attach it to this connector here. That's very simple. So don't you think that this necklace set is very easy to make? It just take that it takes a little time because the process is quite lengthy, as we have to make this in they make this 5 chains manually. So but that's worth doing it, right? And in the same way I'll do it for other one, guys, and we'll come back to you. So yeah, that's it. Ta-da. But it's a fun to make this kind of jewelry, and I really like that I have this art of making this jewelry. So with this or this necklace is the choker is ready. So now for the earrings. So I couldn't see earrings worn by Kriti Sanon much, but I will use my brain. So I have stick the pearl, and I have stick a oxidized chain wrapping around it like this, and then we'll cut this extra part. And now I'm taking this earring stud, and we'll add one paper in this so that we will have a good support to that. And then I'm taking this I'm taking this Fevicol glue, or you can also take B6000 glue. It's totally up to you. This I have shot in at the home, so I had a time to get it dry and all. And the Fevicol works best for this type of glue. So it's totally up to you that what do you want to do. Then in the same way I have made another one. So once it get dry, so these earrings are also ready. Ta-da! So with this, how this pretty necklace set and earrings are ready. So isn't it so beautiful? Do let me know in the comments below how was my experience of making this necklace set is, and do let me know which celebrity jewelry I should replicate next. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.